Benefits of peach for skin. In a world inundated with synthetic skincare products, the allure of natural ingredients remains unparalleled. But what if I told you that nestled within the juiciest of fruits lies a secret to unlocking your skin's true potential? Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey into the realm of beauty as we uncover the hidden treasures concealed within one of nature's most delectable gifts, the peach. Throughout history, peaches have been revered not only for their tantalizing taste but also for their remarkable benefits for the skin. So, buckle up as we delve deep into the captivating world of peach-infused skincare. With every juicy bite, you're not only indulging in sweetness but also nourishing your skin from within. That's because peaches are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, three powerhouse nutrients that play pivotal roles in maintaining skin health. Vitamin A, often hailed as the skin vitamin, is renowned for its ability to promote cell turnover, keeping our skin fresh and rejuvenated. It helps combat the signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles, while also aiding in the repair of damaged skin tissues. Now let's talk about vitamin C, the ultimate brightening agent. This potent antioxidant not only defends our skin against environmental aggressors, but also boosts collagen production, leading to firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a radiant complexion. And last but certainly not least, we have vitamin E, the guardian of hydration. This vitamin works tirelessly to lock in moisture, ensuring that our skin stays soft, supple, and oh so touchable. Bid farewell to dry patches and embrace a complexion that glows with vitality. So, as we delve deeper into the world of peach-infused skincare, keep in mind the remarkable trio of vitamins A, C, and E, and their transformative effects on our skin. With each peachy revelation, you'll come to appreciate these nutrients even more and uncover the true magic hidden within nature's bounty. Imagine this. With every succulent bite, you're not only satisfying your taste buds but also quenching your skin's thirst from within. The abundant water in peaches works like a revitalizing elixir, infusing our skin with much-needed moisture to combat dryness and dehydration. But that's not all. Peach extracts and masks take hydration to a whole new level, sealing in moisture like a protective shield. These skincare marvels create a barrier that locks in hydration, leaving our skin feeling velvety soft and irresistibly supple. So, as we embark on this peachy skincare journey, keep in mind the hydrating power of these juicy wonders. With each peach-infused revelation, you'll uncover a newfound appreciation for nature's ability to nourish and pamper our skin. With every bite of a juicy peach, you're not just enjoying its sweetness but also fortifying your skin's defense against environmental stressors. Antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein act as guardians, neutralizing free radicals and preventing them from wreaking havoc on our skin cells. Beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, is particularly adept at rejuvenating our skin, promoting cell turnover, and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's like a fountain of youth in every peachy bite, ensuring that our skin remains youthful and radiant. And let's not forget about lutein, another antioxidant powerhouse found in peaches. This mighty nutrient not only protects our skin from UV damage but also enhances its elasticity, giving us that coveted firm and plump look. So, as we uncover the anti-aging secrets hidden within peaches, remember the crucial role played by antioxidants in preserving our skin's youthfulness. With each revelation, you'll come to appreciate the protective shield that peaches offer against the relentless march of time. With every application of peach-infused skincare products, you're not just pampering your skin but also unveiling a brighter, more luminous visage. The natural acids in peaches, such as citric acid and malic acid, gently slough away dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, youthful layer underneath. But that's not all. Peach-based products don't just stop at exfoliation. They also excel at tackling stubborn dark spots and uneven skin tone. Through regular use, these potent formulations work tirelessly to fade discoloration, leaving behind a complexion that's flawlessly even and radiant. So as we unravel the skin-brightening secrets concealed within peaches, remember the transformative power of natural exfoliation. With each peach-infused revelation, you'll embark on a journey towards a brighter, more luminous complexion that radiates with confidence and beauty. With every application of peach-infused skincare, you're not just treating your skin, but also providing it with a gentle reprieve from inflammation and redness. Peach extracts contain compounds like antioxidants and vitamins that work synergistically to soothe irritated skin, restoring its balance and vitality. But the benefits don't end there. Peach-infused skincare products are particularly beneficial for individuals grappling with conditions like acne, eczema, or rosacea. These troublesome skin issues can wreak havoc on one's confidence and well-being. But with the calming touch of peaches, relief is within reach. Whether it's the anti-inflammatory properties of peach extracts or their ability to nurture and heal damaged skin, the benefits are undeniable. So as we delve deeper into the world of peach-infused skincare, remember the gentle yet potent healing powers of this miraculous fruit. With each application, you'll witness firsthand the transformative effects that peaches can have on your skin, bringing comfort and solace to even the most troubled complexion. With just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can whip up decadent peach masks or scrubs that will leave your skin luminous and rejuvenated. These DIY concoctions harness the natural goodness of peaches, delivering potent nutrients directly to your skin for a radiant glow. But what sets homemade peach skincare apart is its accessibility and affordability. Unlike commercial products loaded with chemicals and preservatives, DIY recipes allow you to control what goes on your skin, ensuring purity and efficacy. So whether you're looking to exfoliate dull skin with a peach scrub or hydrate parched skin with a peach mask, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't need to splurge on expensive skincare products. Everything you need is right in your pantry. As we explore these simple yet effective DIY recipes, remember that beauty doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With just a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of peachy goodness, you can achieve the glowing skin of your dreams. All while embracing the joy of homemade skincare. So, why not harness the natural goodness of peaches and incorporate them into your daily skincare regimen? Whether you indulge in store-bought peach-infused products or experiment with homemade recipes, the results will speak for themselves. Embrace the simplicity and efficacy of peach skincare and unlock the natural, effective results you've been craving. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips, tricks, and insights. Together, let's embark on a journey towards glowing, peach-perfect skin. Thank you for watching.